Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Kishu inu hoarders. Kishu inu hoarders. The price is too low. The price is too low. Oh my god, I'm very sad. I'm very shocked about the Kishu inu that the changes of a Kishu inu is completely going negative. Guys, the changes is completely going negative. That's why I'm very shocked. I'm very sad to see these changes. Negative 0.79% the price decrease. Last one day change is negative 9.51%. Last 1 week change is about negative 25.08%. Very badly the price of Kishu inu falls. I mean decrease. It's a bad time of Kishu inu, but after bad it's a good time. Always remember that. You can see your guys Kishu inu is completely going wrong from last 1 month, from last 30 days. Just look here completely. And negative 55.23% the price decrease. Guys, you know what my prediction about Kishu is that they are already the price of Kishu falls down for a long time. From a long time the Kishu price falls. So now I think they are near to the jump. Kishu will give us surprise, guys, remember that. But no one can know about the time that when they will surprise us. Guys, possibilities, and in this month the Kishu will pump. This month the Kishu will pump, guys. Alert. What you think about Kishu? Please also share in the comment box your opinion. Share in the comment box. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.